you might think June is too late to start seeds. But that is not true at all. In fact, for Zone 6 gardeners, June can be one of the best months to grow fresh food if you know what to plant and how to do it right. So, before you give up on seed starting, stay with me. I am going to share a few simple steps that can save your growing season and maybe even surprise you. June brings warmer soil, longer days, and faster germination. That means seeds grow quicker and healthier than they did in the chilly spring months. While some cool weather crops are done for the season, others like beans, squash, cucumbers, and herbs love the warm soil. And if you missed your chance to grow earlier, June is not a setback, it is actually your second chance. With a little planning, you can still enjoy a strong harvest before the first frost shows up in the fall. What seeds to start in June in Zone 6? Here is a short list of seeds you can start right now in June. Bush beans and pole beans, these grow fast and do great in warm weather. Summer squash like zucchini, it grows quickly and keeps producing. Cucumbers, perfect for pickling or fresh eating. Basil loves the heat and grows well from seed. Dill and cilantro, these herbs can still grow nicely if started now. Swiss chard, this leafy green handles summer heat better than lettuce. Beets and carrots, you still have time for a crop before fall. If you're still watching, here's where it gets even better. Starting seeds now not only gives you fresh food, but it can also help cut grocery costs and keep your garden full all season. You do not need a fancy setup or a greenhouse, just a little space, some good soil, and the right timing. Unlike early spring, you will not need indoor lights or heat mats. The sun and soil are already warm enough. Pick a sunny spot, rake the soil smooth, and make shallow rows. Read the seed packet to know how deep to plant and how far to space your seeds. Water gently but often. June sun can dry out the topsoil fast. Try watering in the early morning or late afternoon to keep the soil moist without losing water to heat. If birds or bugs are a problem, you can lay some mesh or light fabric over the area until the seedlings come up. Do not plant cool weather crops like broccoli or spinach. They will bolt in the heat and go to seed too early. Also, avoid planting anything too late that needs over 100 days to grow unless you plan to start it indoors for a fall harvest. Watch out for dry soil. Summer heat dries things fast, and young seeds need steady moisture. Check your soil daily for the first 2 weeks. Before you scroll away or skip to the next video, let me say this: starting seeds in June is not about being perfect. It is about trying again, learning as you go, and keeping your garden alive and growing. Most people give up by now, but you're still here, and that means your garden is going to be different. In a good way. So do not let the calendar stop you. With the right seeds and a little care, June can be the start of something great in your garden. Keep planting, keep learning, and enjoy the process. Your best harvest might still be ahead.